Hello and welcome. Today's cocktail is going to be a white lady. Sorry. A white lady is also known in mythology as a ghost or someone who has succumbed to tragic circumstances or usually hangs around where tragedy has struck. They are kind of like ghosts. She can appear in the day or the night and is known around the world for being a spooky spectre in white. But today's cocktail is not going to be spooky or tragic at all. The first ingredient that goes into this cocktail is egg white, which I have here. And what's a little bit unusual is that I'm going to dry shake it first to try and get that frothiness. So all of the ice is in my glass, which is chilling at the moment. It's also best to use pasteurized eggs, and if you don't like the eggy smell or taste, use aquafaba, which comes off of chickpeas. So we'll put that in. And do a dry shake. Now we have that all frothed up, and I'm going to put the ice in, and we can start playing with the ingredients. We'll start off with the triple sec, which is an orange liqueur. That'll be 1/2 shot. And then the gin. The gin that I'm using today is Koval gin, and that is going to be a full shot. And finally, we'll add 1/2 shot of fresh lemon juice and shake it all up. I'll pour that into a chilled coupe glass. Oh, that looks so pretty. I didn't expect it to look so pretty. And garnish with a lemon swirl. Now I'm gonna drink it. It's sweet, it's sour. I don't really taste the gin. Oh no, there it is. There's the gin. That is a really interesting cocktail. I've never had one of these before, and I think I'll definitely do one again. Thank you so much for joining me, and come watch Cocktails and Costumes next week.